Payday lenders and check cashers like Money Mart and Loan Mart are most often used by low-income individuals and families who lack access to banking services through traditional financial institutions. For low-income families, these services are often the option of last resort, which leaves them vulnerable to the occasional predatory practices that we see, and we need to ensure that hardworking low-income Californians have the protections in the law that protect them from abusive practices. That's why I'm grateful for the leadership of Mr. Herrera. He's been an aggressive advocate on behalf of working families who rely on these services, and today's settlement announcement is a major victory for Californians. Thanks to his efforts, Californians who've been wronged by these lenders now have the opportunity to seek restitution as part of the settlement reached by Mr. Herrera and the lenders in question. Folks who believe they're eligible for restitution have until October 1st to file a claim, and we're here to spread the word to ensure that every person who's eligible for a claim knows how to file one. California consumers who obtain short-term installment loans from Money Mart and Loan Mart from 2005 to 2007, and oversized payday loans from Money Mart and Loan Mart in 2005 may be eligible for restitution of interest, fees, and finance charges they paid. Ensuring that low-income Californians have the means and ability to meet their financial obligations is important to the well-being of those families and to our state as a whole. That's why I'm pleased that last week the legislature sent my bill, AB 2006, to the governor for his consideration, which will allow state-chartered credit unions to provide services like checks cashing for a nominal fee to non-members. Efforts like those of the city attorney and through legislation like AB 2006 are important, if often overlooked, components of restoring our economy to its full health.
In 2007, my office filed suit against storefront payday lender Money Mart, together with an associated out-of-state bank, for unfair and fraudulent business practices stemming from their marketing of short-term installment loans and oversized payday loans at exorbitant and illegal interest rates to low-income borrowers. Such loans often target low-income and working-class families living paycheck to paycheck. Money Market illegally offered oversized loans of up to $1,500 with annual percentage rates, APRs, in excess of 400% through a questionable arrangement with the First Bank of Delaware, an out-of-state chartered bank, which was a deliberate effort to circumvent California's interest rate and loan principal limits.
The San Francisco City Attorney got an $8 million settlement. We are very excited about that. There were exorbitant or illegal interest rates. You're going to have a lot of people that can be eligible for up to from $20 to $1,800. There's a hotline which was said earlier. I'd like to restate the hotline. The number is 866-497-5497. 866-497-5497. If you call that hotline, we want as many people to call and determine whether or not they're eligible. The deadline is October 1st. But anytime you call, and if you're eligible, which is the good news, within 60 days we'll let you know. And that's important because if people can get dollars back in their pockets, it's going to make a big difference during this time of year.